Album management. On the top navigation bar, click Products, then Album Management. Click Add Album. Enter album name, and others as default. Click Submit. Click the View button. Click the Upload button. Click Confirm to use. To change album cover, mouse over a photo and click Set as Cover. To delete a photo, mouse over a photo and click Delete Image, then click Confirm. How to use album. On the left navigation panel, click Product and Sale. Look for the product that needs to add photo. Click the Edit button. On the top tab, click Product Album. Mouse over a thumbnail, then click Upload. Click Album Image. Select the newly created album. Select the photo you wish to publish and click Confirm. At last, click Save at the bottom to finish.